So today in this video I'll be explaining about the code I have made for my vending machine. So first itself I have made the list of the products, their code and their prices. Now I have to display it. So I have used the function display underscore products. So it will execute the code inside it. To give a print the header, I have used the print available products. Now I have to loop through the products dictionary, so that I have used the products.items, the list of the tuples where each tuples contains the key value pair. Now I have to print the product details, so I have used the f-string formatting. So this curly braces, they have to insert the variables, and the code will be referring to the product code, and the product name, it will retrieve the name of the product from the product dictionary. And now I have added this function where it will be suggesting the other products. So if the customer have put more money than it is needed for the product they selected, it will be printing that you have enough money for these products, and they will be showing other suggesting other products or displaying all the products. Now I have given the special offer function to my vending machine. So in this vending machine, the selected underscore products, they will be checking if the condition are met. They have given two condition, that is the two special offers. That one is buy two chips and they will be get one free yellow free chips. So other one is that if you buy a coffee and a biscuit, one biscuit will be free. So if the actions are true, it will, for example, in the case of the chips, it will print the message that buy two chips get one yellow chips free. So now next is money insertion and validation. So now the products are selected, the customer will insert the money, so which is validated through the function process underscore purchase. This function will be calculate the total price, and it will be comparing it with the inserted money. If the money is less than the if the inserted money it is insufficient, the user is prompted to insert more money. And if it is sufficient or exceed the total, like I have explained, if it is sufficient, they will be getting the product, or if it is more than the total, it will be they will be getting the suggested products. So in this function, that the customer will be able to choose the chips color. So it will first in the list chips underscore color, it have four color: red, blue, green and yellow. It first then asks the customer to choose the color for the chips. So it then loops over the chips underscore color list using enumerate bracket dot enumerate, which is here to get the both the index I and the color name. And after getting the user input, it will be converted to an integer using int bracket, and it will be stored in the color choice. So if the program will be checking that the number entered by the customer, it is between the color underscore choice, which is basically the color entered by the customer, it is between 1 and 4. Then it will be printing the color chose by the customer, and the product will be displayed. Next is the toppings, which is I have only given for the ice creams. The customer will be able to choose the toppings they want for the ice cream. So there is the function, it start by the list called toppings. So it have this option: sprinkles, chocolate chips, caramel syrup and none. So just like the before, the program will be asking the user to enter the number they want as their topping. And just like the before, the chip color, it is the same similar function which I have given for the toppings too. Now we'll go to the functions of the vending machine. Now comes the receipt and the change. So once the transaction is completed, the process underscore purchase function will generate the receipt displaying all selected items and their total price. So if the customer has inserted more money than required, the program calculates it, and it will be returning the change. For the initializing the product, the variable total underscore price is initialized to 0. So this will be hold the total cost of the products the user has selected, and then we have to loop through the selected products. So the function then loops through the selected products, which will be the content names of the products that user has chosen. So for each products in selected underscore products, it will be checking that product exists in product dictionary. If the product exists in the products dictionary, it will be it adds the price of that products. and then that is the products bracket products and then price to the total price variable. And the change is calculated in a way that change is equal to the inserted money, inserted underscore money, then minus total price. So it will be checking that if the change is greater than 0, so the program will be printing out the amount of change to be returned to the user. And this formatting ensures that the change is printed with exactly 2 decimal places. Now the main program flow. So the vending underscore machine, it will function the entire process. It repeatedly prompts the user to make selections, insert money, and process the purchase until the transaction is complete. So if the user chooses exit, the program will be ending. So the vending machine will be starting with an introduction message that is welcome to the vending machine, and the products are stored in the selected underscore products. To start the infinite loop, the while true are used, and the loop will continue until the user type exit. So after the user types the exit, it will be showing that thank you for using the vending machine. And at the end of the function, if the user enters a valid product, the program will continue looping to allow them to select more products. And if exit is entered, the program will stop and it will enter the user interaction.